Don't tell me lies. Look at your neck, your chest, your breast. Tell me everything that's on your nasty mind. Don't lie to me.
What's up, my YouTube babies? And again, this is your girl Jess, and I'm back for a video. As y'all see, this is over this wig that your girl got from Amazon. It'll be listed down in the description box below in a link to my Amazon store. So I'm just showing y'all the construction of the wig. I did bleach it, so it is bleached. I bleached the knots with BW2 powder and 40 volume developer, and I also am showing y'all the lace, which is really good for it to be an Amazon wig. And this is just a quick walkthrough of what I used to apply it. So I did use the Erica J Hold Me Down glue. I also used the HD wig cap that'll be listed down below in the box too. This is my result after gluing it down. I used the Black Radiant Soft Focus powder to match the scalp on the cap. And this is after applying the wig. As y'all can see, I did a little plucking, but not much, and it is laying effortlessly. So love the curls. I think I'm gonna order this in a longer wig or longer length for the wig. So I'm just showing y'all my baby hairs that I pulled out and how I applied them, and I cut them, of course, curled them. Now y'all seeing me like put them into place. So yeah, that's basically me just using that setting mousse, and then using this little baby hair comb. Sometimes when you pull out baby hairs, you will probably pull out more hair than normal. So don't be afraid to go in and edit, which that's what I'm doing here with the hair. It's like, as you see in a few seconds, I'll pull some of the hair back because it's too thick. And you see I'm checking the size, and I'm using this Jess'Marie holding spray. A lot of people said it's good adhesive. I don't think it's good adhesive, but it definitely is good for molding the hair in place, which that's what I use to like mold my hair back to make it look like, you know, that scalp effect. Prior to me using a hot comb, it just, you know, lays the hair is really good. And I don't know about y'all, but for me, I do like doing this on my head. I don't actually like doing it on the mannequin. I like it better on my head. So yeah, so y'all just see me flat ironing the hair in place, molding it down after spraying the spray, and it's looking real, you know, real natural, real cute. Baby hair is laid, really cute. But yeah, y'all, so basically this is just the install. So I'm gonna finish off showing y'all how I fix the part, which is just with concealer and with some eyeliner, and then that's just gonna be the rest of the video. So I hope y'all enjoy the end of the video. More videos coming soon. I know I say that a lot, but y'all, life, and if you feel me. But one thing you gotta do is be consistent and keep going. So that's what I'm trying to do, be more consistent. So y'all is getting this video. Like I said, the description of this video will be listed in my Amazon store, so y'all can know how to get the wig. And yeah, like I said, make sure y'all comment, rate, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Love y'all. Bye.